A Bladeguard veteran who is usually part of a Bladeguard veteran squad is a veteran Primaris Space Marine, largely dedicated to a melee tactical role. Bladeguard veterans are those Primaris Marines who have earned the right to serve in the elite first company of a Primaris-only Space Marine chapter, raised during the Ultima founding or later. Those who serve in the first company of an already extant chapter alongside their firstborn brethren, or those who are already veteran Marines and have crossed the Rubicon Primaris. Bladeguard veterans are melee-focused Astartes who are equipped much like technologically advanced versions of the Knights of an Ancient Terran legends. Bladeguard veterans are inexorable warriors advancing relentlessly with their blades held high, the very image of the noble knights of myth. As veteran members of their chapter's elite first company, each of these vastly experienced Space Marines have fought to preserve the Imperium on countless worlds. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.